Hey, what is going on, guys? Andrew in the Money Options back with another video. Today is April 21st, 2025. It is a Monday, guys, so happy Monday. I hope you all are having a good day so far. As you guys can see, starting off bat, we have Taiwan Semiconductor down 2.6% on the day, down about $4. This thing did slide from 150 all the way down to bottom of 146. Currently at 147.73s. Looks like it is kind of recovering towards the end of the day. On the week, it's down 7%. On the month, it's down 18%. And on the past 3 months, it is down 31%. What are my next levels that I'm looking at for Taiwan Semiconductor? We can see, guys, we had a little bit of a support level here at around 145 a share. And we have a resistance level around recently 153s. So I'm currently looking, guys, at puts on Taiwan Semiconductor. And again, this is all not financial advice, but I'm looking at puts below 145 a share. And again, this is not financial advice. I'm looking at the 145 puts expiring May 2nd, currently at a premium of $4.05 a contract. So this is my level. We are entering below 145 a share. Next, we have Microsoft down about $10 on the day, down 2.7%. Guys, this thing is absolutely melting. This thing is dropping hard. Currently at 350s. We can see that on the week it's down 8.6%. On the month it's down 8.7%. We have a support level here around 355 to 352 a share. I am looking, guys, at puts on Microsoft below 355. And again, this is not financial advice. Puts below 355, we can easily run these to 350, 250s, and potentially 350s. This one has a history of dropping very heavily when it goes down close to 350s, and it has a history of dropping heavily. So keep your eyes, guys, on these contracts. I'm looking at puts below 355 a share, and again, that is all not financial advice. Next, we do have Google stock, guys. Google is down about 2.8% on the day. Currently dropping $4.28. It does have a support level here at 144. Now, guys, I am actually looking here at calls on Google stock. And again, this is not financial advice, but if you guys don't know, Google does report earnings on the 24th? Yeah, 24th after hours. This thing can really rip, guys. I feel like all the other companies that are suppliers, such as NVDA, Amazon, Apple, Taiwan Semiconductor, AMD, they're all getting slashed because of these tariffs. But Google is more on the cloud side and more on the technology side as far as online revenue, cloud services, and way more. But I feel like this thing can really see a pop. It's currently down, and it's good because this is a good opportunity to get in long calls. So I'm looking at calls, guys, on Google stock, and this is going to be above 147.50 a share. Calls above 147.50. We're going to ride those up to 150s. Keep your eyes on these specific contracts, guys. I'm looking at the 148 calls expiring May 2nd. So they currently have a premium of $5.60, theta of 0.28, delta of 0.49. Something to keep your eyes on too, guys. You definitely want to keep your eyes on Google stock, guys. This thing could be the best performer coming recently in the market. So something to watch. Now, after AMD, guys, we do have after Google, we do have AMD. Currently down 3% on the day. Was down 4.14%. It's already back up a little bit. Recovered about a 1.25%, guys. Slipping just like NVIDIA stock is, guys. This thing has broke below its support levels around $100 a share. Currently at 84. Now we can see that they did have a bottom here around $78. I'm looking at puts on AMD strictly below $80 a share. And I am looking at calls above $87 a share. And again, that is not financial advice, but something to keep your eyes on to. SPY, guys. Horrible day for SPY so far. Down about 3% on the day. Down $15. This thing has hit a new low on the week. On the month, Looks like it's starting to drop a little bit lower as well. Down 13% at one point. This was April 9th, but still kind of showing more weakness on the S&P 500 as well. So we might see a retest, guys, of these lows. So we're looking specifically, guys, at puts on SPY below 510 a share. This is a longer level, but I am not bullish, guys. When it comes to SPY, I'm only bullish on individual companies such as Google and a couple others. But for SPY, guys, I am very bearish on it. And again, this is all not financial advice. After that, guys, we have Apple. Apple is down about 2.9% on the day, down about $5.75. Now, this thing had a nice recovery, though, from 172s back to 205s, back below 200s. I'm looking at puts on Apple below 190 a share. And again, that is not financial advice. Every time it goes close to 190, it could never break below it. This is a good support level. But if it does end up breaking below it here in the nearby future, we're going to see a big flush. So keep your eyes, guys, on Apple below 190 a share. The Qs are down 3.16% on the day, down $14, dropping heavily, looking similar to SPY. So keep your eyes on the Qs. Amazon, guys, this thing is, honestly, guys, Amazon so far is the worst performer as far as the Magnificent Sevens. I didn't really realize this until I saw the percentages and some news articles on Amazon. This thing, guys, is dropping heavily, down 11% on the past week, hitting a new low on the week as of today. On the past month, hitting a new low on the past month, new low on the past 3 months, new low on the past year to date, and it's already down 6% on the past year. Now, I'm looking at a support level here at 161s a share. I have a feeling that if it does hit it, it's going to act as a double bottom and rebound. But, guys, Amazon is slipping heavily, and it's mainly because of these tariffs. Amazon is known for selling on e-commerce goods and so on and so forth. So when they start implementing more tariffs, guys, we're going to see a big, heavy drop, because all of these goods are going to be taxed, and they're going to be basically having to pay extra for pretty much most of the products on the website, guys. So big rejection from its all-time highs. It is around the support level here. So 160 a share, guys. We're looking below that. We can see 150s, but we could see a little bit of a rebound when it comes to that level. I am very, very bullish on Amazon. If it touches 160, I can really see this thing break below it and dumping, or if we see it rebound, I can see this thing potentially popping back up. But it might not be anytime soon. It's really all depending on the tariff news. Broadcom down 4% on the past day, down $7. This thing is dropping heavily on the week, new low on the week. On the past month, though, surprisingly, it is holding up better than most of the other tech stocks. It's holding up pretty strong. It's it came down to 143, back up to 163. Could this thing drop? Potentially it can. Will it? We just have to wait and see. But it did have a nice squeeze with a rejection, and usually that happens when companies pop very fast. NVDA down 5.8% on the past day, down $6. This thing is dropping heavy, new low on the week. And on the month, it looks like it's coming closer to coming down to that $94 a share level. On the past 3 months, it's down 31%. Guys, I'm not going to lie. I'm going to be completely honest. NVIDIA is looking very bearish. Very, very bearish. Below 90, we can see 87s and potentially 85s. So keep your eyes on this one. And Tesla, what a bloodbath day for Tesla. RIP to all the Tesla holders. I hope it eventually rebounds and you guys can make back your unrealized gains. Make sure you guys stay strong, hold for long term. But Tesla down 7%, down $17. New low on the week. New low, I wouldn't say new low on the month. The low on the month is 220. Now, I gave you guys puts, which is a level to look for, below 230 a share. It broke below those. There's $6 in the money. Comment down below if you entered puts below 230s. And then as well, I do want to look at puts below 220s. We're looking at puts, guys, below 220 a share for Tesla. And I got a feeling, guys, don't at me on this, guys, but I have a feeling Tesla can drop below 200. This is, again, not financial advice, but It's just what the company has to offer. Great company. We'll look at the PE ratio. High PE ratio, very uncertain. Tesla is just so uncertain when it comes to the market. Everything is bleeding. Everything is bloody red. Google with a little bit of a rebound, already starting to sell its gains off. Now, taking a look at crypto, we can see Bitcoin with a nice little pump and dump, just like kind of SPY did a little bit when the market initially opened. Pump and dump. Break even on the day. On the week, though, it's up 2.7%. In the past month, it's up 3.82%. 3 months is down 14%, guys. So Bitcoin is dropping heavy, but it is actually rebounding in a way. It looks like it did hit a lower bottom, and it's already starting to recover pretty smoothly. So keep your eyes, guys, on Bitcoin. This thing could break another downtrend. Ethereum down 3.4%, which is kind of odd to see given that Bitcoin is break even on the day. Ethereum is down 3.7%. On the past month, it's down 20%. Ethereum is just blooding right now. Literally, I kid you not. If this thing drops below $1,000, I might pick up a couple coins. XRP down 1%. I got a feeling that easily this thing is going to drop below $2 a coin. And again, that's all not financial advice. Dogecoin down 1.3%. It lost pretty much all of its steam, all of its gains. Everything is just down the drain. I kid you not. But keep your eyes, guys, on Dogecoin. Absolute wreck. Absolute reckoning right now. Matter of fact, I'm going to do something very ballsy, guys. Look at that. I just bought 25,000 Dogecoin. And I know that might have been stupid, but it's just something right now that I want to hold on to. A little swing, guys. So this is going to be a little bit different, guys. A little bit part of the video. Comment down below, guys, if you saw this. A lot of people probably didn't. But we are in Dogecoin right now, currently. So going to be holding on to Doge for just a little bit. See what happens with this one. But just want to wait and see some fluctuations. Now, I'm already down because when you initially buy Dogecoin or any crypto, especially on Robinhood, you're going to be down instantly because of the bid and the ask. It's okay. I'm not, it's part of the game. I don't feel any type of way. But that's going to end it off. I wanted to make sure I could put that in the last bit of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you guys go down and smash that like button. Comment down below, guys, what you guys are looking at, what companies you guys are looking at, and what's your thoughts on the markets in this upcoming day for earnings predictions and earnings week. The Magnificent Seven all reporting earnings. If you want to go ahead and get yourself some free stock, first and second link in the description down below. Sign up for Robinhood and Webull. And other than that, I will